afternoon, guys. This is Mrs. Stevenson again, and it is now time for our kindergarten and first grade math lesson. We're going to do a couple of problems with subtraction stories. All right, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is read our problem. So, there are 9 kids at the park. 4 of them are on the swings. Yep, swings. How many are not on the swings? Okay, so we're going to circle our numbers because we're going to be working with our numbers. And the first thing we need to do is draw a picture. So, let's draw a picture. Let's draw our little swing set here. Forgive my drawing. Okay, so it says how many of them are the swings? 4 of them are on the swings. So we need to draw 4 swings. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so let's draw our little people. So Susie is sitting on the swing nice and sweet with her little pigtails. Yay, she can swing. Bobby is gonna be swinging. Let's see, Delilah is gonna go on a swing. Cute little puffballs. And then we have Johnny, who is gonna be the naughty one. He is standing on the swing. He's still on it, but he is standing on it. Shame on you, Johnny. All right, so we have 4 kids at the park on the swings. 9 kids at the park total, so in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Maybe they're playing ball. All right, how many are not on the swings? So here's the swings, and here are the kids not on the swings. How many kids are not on the swings? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 kids not on swings. So that's our answer. That's one way to get our answer. Let's come down here and use the number line to help us out. So 9 kids at the park in all. So we start at the 9. Let's put a star right there. 4 are not on the swings. And since we know that we're subtracting, when we subtract, we jump backwards on the number line. If we're adding, we jump forward. But if we're subtracting, we jump backwards. And we know we're subtracting because it's asking us how many are left at the park after. So let's do 4 hops backwards. So 1. You don't count this one. This is not the one. So you jump and say 1. 2, 3, 4. So we jumped our 4 kids and look at our answer. 5. Is that the same? It is the same. So now we have to think about what would our equation be? Well, how many kids were there in all? 9, and that's our bigger number. So right now that makes sense for us. So 9. And how many kids were on the swings? 1, 2, 3, 4 children on the swings. And how many kids did we find are not on the swings? 5. And so our answer, the difference between 9 and 4, is 5 kids. Another way to do this, I'm going to draw a little box up here. So we have 9 kids, so we would draw 9 circles. 4 of them are on the swings. How many are not on the swings? So we would cross off 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is our difference. So that's another way to do it. That's a little compact. All right, let's check our work real quick. So if 5 students are not on the swings and there are 4 on the swings, we know that 5 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that matches, so that's a good answer. You could also count it on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's do one more. Ooh, yay, we get to do ducks. Okay, let's do some ducks, quack, quack. So, let's read our sentence, our little story problem. The mom duck has 4, let's go ahead and circle our number, 4 babies. 2 of them are in the pond. How many are out of the pond? There's another number, let's circle our numbers. So there's Mama Duck. She needs 4 babies. So let's draw 4 babies. One, 2, 3, 4. So there are the 4 babies. And it says 2 of them are in a pond. So around 2 of my babies, I'm going to draw just a little water. Let's draw some little wave marks. So 2 babies are in the pond. How many are out of the pond? Let's count. 1, 2. So there are 2 babies outside of the pond. 2. If you can't draw a duck, that's fine, that's fine. Watch another way you could draw a duck. You could just draw a little baby duck in a circle with a triangle. Give it an eyeball. That could be a duck too. So, let's go down to our number line. How many ducks in all? 4. So let's put a star so we know where we're at. And how many are in the pond? 2 babies are in the pond. So let's find the difference. So let's do 2 jumps backward because we're subtracting. So 1, 2. Circle our answer. Is that the same as what we came up with our drawing? It sure is. So 2 babies. Let's come down and we'll write our equation. So what's our big number? What's our total? There are 4 ducks all together. Wonderful. How many are in the pond, did it say? 2. So what's the difference? How many are out of the pond? 2 babies was our answer. So write your answer, which is the difference. 2 ducks. Once again, we gotta check our answer. So the difference is 2. So let's write the 2. And we had 2 in the pond. And 2 plus 2 is indeed 4 ducks in all. Beautiful, beautiful work. All right, so this is absolutely something that we would see on a state test. And the format with number lines and the difference and drawings and all of that. So this is a really good way to practice. If you have rubber ducks at home, you could even act it out with the rubber ducks so that the kids can, your students can manipulate them around. All right, that is going to be all for today, my friends. I will see you guys tomorrow, all right? Bye.